Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty analysis for the coming week. Before we start, hope you guys are safe and doing good and spending this time which you got due to lockdown on learning something new, be it market or any hobby. Spend this time wisely. So now Nifty has been rising all the way from after 7th, which we have discussed in the last video. So it was a major, we saw a major rise from that day, and it was an Astro date, Gann date, like I've discussed in the last video. And from there we had a good rally, and we stopped this at 9131, which is another important level. If you take the Gann levels, so 9131 is important. After that, 9470 is a very important level. So now coming week, what we can see is we have an important Mercury ingress which is happening on this day, which I marked, which is 13th April, which is tomorrow. And apart from that, we also have a holiday on 14th. So 13th high and low will be very crucial for the next move in the market, because as you can see here, whenever we have this Mercury ingress, like Mercury ingress 2 days before this top, there was a Mercury ingress. This bottom after the budget day we were able to capture, and a good rally came. This top was captured and a big fall just one day before this. Top was made after the lower circuit on 13th March, and after that we had a wonderful fall. So basically 13th high and low, keep a close eye on that. 9131 to 9200 is important Gann resistance zone also. So now the market, because of the rise which we have seen from last 3-4 days, it has become a kind of sell on rise. The trend will only change once we start closing below 8990. Once we start closing below 8990, we can see a fall towards a 8868, 8746 and 8604 in the coming week. On the upside, if we start trading above 9131, then 9225 and 9375 are the levels to be watched, and 9470, which is another important level where we can see a reversal. Now if I go and check the neural analysis of Nifty, so you can see here this rise was coming here. Now what it suggests is we are already here. 10th is a holiday, so 13th it is also suggesting that we can form a short-term top, and from there we can see a fall towards 15th, and a major fall till 20th. So 13th, as per neural also, it is very important. So on upside, if suppose we cross this 9131 tomorrow, then 9191, 9272 and 9415 are the important levels which we should watch on upside. And apart from that, so basically keep an eye. Similarly, if we do for Bank Nifty neural analysis, it again suggests that the rise can continue, and we can see around 13th 14th a small top, and from there a fall is what it is showing. And so for Bank Nifty, the levels which we need to watch out for are basically, let me just, yeah. So for Bank Nifty, because again we had a a very big rise in Bank Nifty, so basically 2324 is a very important level to be watched out for. Now we have closed around 19913, so if 2324 is not broken, so then from tomorrow, once we start trading below 19655, the fall can extend till 19397 and 19138, and in worst case it can go till 18470. On upside, it's better to go long only about 2324 for a target of 2666, 2840 and 21300. So these are the important analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty based on neural, and based on the Mercury ingress which is happening. So trade cautiously, trade with discipline. Because the range, and again, like on Friday we have formed an NR7 pattern. So technically the high and low of Friday are very important. So if suppose tomorrow 9131 gets broken, then we can easily see a 100 to 150 points rise. On downside, the low of Friday, if it gets broken, then again we can see a good fall, probably because of this holiday seasons which are coming up. We are seeing these range contraction. So watch out for these levels which I have mentioned. Stay safe, and stay disciplined. Thank you.